the lemon flavor.
Bismillah ala barakatillah. All you need is some cookies or crackers of your choice, and into a bowl, then add the walnuts. Also crush nicely, combine the two ingredients. Then you will add two lemon zest, two whole lemon zest, 1 cup of milk, 4 tablespoons of cream cheese. Mix until the dough is very beautiful. You will, I turned mine into a tiny little logs. You can make them any shape that you want. I will freeze them for 10 to 15 minutes. Meanwhile, I'm melting my sugar-free chocolate. Dip them into the chocolate and another drizzle of white chocolate, and also don't forget some lemon zest. This will give it an extra flavor as well. God bless, love you all. Please do follow for more.